we had some issues, but I haven't had the recorded session yet. This class you have to. I'm not going to acting class. I don't know how you will. This is very easy. I don't know why the CBSE will implement this chapter 4, and it should be given for class 8 itself, right? Okay, right. First we'll write some notes, basic notes on what is the chapter. Hope all can see actually, right? Do we have to daily practice the question, so I will have daily classes and all. Don't worry about that. Like yeah. Chapter is very easy, dears. Chapter is very easy. Class is at 30, right? So I'll begin at 30 itself. Now it's 27 only. Okay. Okay, no issue. So oh, write the heading. Linear in two variables. So first bullet point. Okay, I'll just say I'm not going to write. Okay. In earlier classes, we have learned that a linear equation in one variable or an unknown x is an equation of the form x plus b equal to 0 is one variable. But what we are going to learn in two variables is going to be like x plus by equal to 0. So, sorry, by plus c equal to 0. Why? This is three variables. Here we have a variable, here we have a variable, and two variables, and here we have a constant. C is a constant. So I'm going to write a note. A is equal to unknown value, AUNK value, x equal to x itself, b equal to unknown value, and and y equal to y itself. Then c is a constant value. So here we have very important steps. Never miss those steps. Okay. So we will do some questions how to do that. So an equation of the form ax plus by plus c or ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, c are real numbers, a not equal to 0 or b not equal to 0 or c not equal, everything cannot be 0, b not equal to 0. Either like plus or minus, this should be 0 or 0, 0 or other x. So right, now we will do some examples. I'll the first write the standard form. Equal to ax plus by plus c. Without LHS and RHS, we won't get the it as a equation or a solution. Okay, now let's start questions. Okay. First question. First question. Write each of the following each of the following in form of x plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now, right. Also state them. Okay. First, ax plus, sorry, 3y plus 2y equals 2.5. Simple one. Solution. 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y have, we know that 3x here, okay, sorry, here 3y alla, 3x. Okay, 3x plus 2y. We know that x and y we have, like we don't know what is the value of x and y. So, but I'm not going to solve this. The question is to write each of the following in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So what do? We're going to state this is already, is this already in C? No. So what we're going to do is, there isn't a C. So what we'll write, 3x plus 2y. This we have to bring in this side. Minus 2.5 equal to 0 over. Isn't it? So what is A, B and C? This A is equal to, in the parenthesis you write, A is equal to 3, B equal to 2, put this semicolon, okay, then semicolon, C equal to negative 2.5. Never forget the sign is important. You guys always miss the sign. So what we'll do? Write the sign also. Okay. Now B. are 5 questions from the same topic, but more is there. I will give that. 7x minus 5 is equal to 2y. Here what? We need the form x plus by plus c. But is it in the form 7x? So what we will write is, we will bring everything this the other side. Other side means transposing, right? Transposing. So transposing a line. What നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? ഈ 2y അപ്പുറത്തെ സൈഡിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരണ്ടേ? അപ്പൊ 7x, we write 7x. Sign ഉൾപ്പെടെ we have to take the additive inverse. Sign എടുക്കണം. Sign, we change the sign. Don't put, some people write if 7x minus 5 is equal to 2y. What they do is 7x minus plus 2y. Why? Don't do that, okay? That's not needed. It's complicated. You go from the nose to the head. Why do you go from ear then nose to then head? So what we do is, when we transpose, okay, so 7x minus 5 equal to y. So 7x minus 2y. Then what do you do? Minus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Finished. So what is a? So what is a? So I'm just going to stop with this because today this is too much in the MJH, because I have to take it almost in 3 days. But I don't need 3 days to complete this chapter. I need only 1 day. So what I'll do is I'll do only each exercise by exercise. So what is A? 7. What is B? Minus 2. What is C? Minus 5. That's it. That's it. Thuru. That's it for today. So thank you very much. So when this, I'll give you some homework. See, 7y minus 2x. D, 5x minus 2 equal to. Okay, homework. Okay. Thank you.